Hello everybody, welcome back to the This and That Outdoors channel. I'm Greg. Kathy's not available today, so I'm going to take you through what we're doing. Remember in the last video I mentioned it was just about time to start harvesting. We are working on harvesting the sweet potatoes and on the collards. Collards are, I think we end up harvesting like 4 different cuttings off of them last year because we don't cut the collard plant down. We just kind of skim them down at the bottom, leave some of the new growth still growing, and they just continue to grow and grow. So that gives us opportunity to go through multiple cuttings. We put up some, and it just lasts us a whole lot longer. Well, I guess with that said, let's get to it. We're right in this area because the ground was just so dry. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dig them up and get them out of here, and just get them out of the garden. But end up getting a few potatoes off. So I decided that I think I want to go ahead and dig the rest of the potatoes. We have 3 short rows, so we'll see how that goes. With the other potatoes, the tops that had gone completely brown, these haven't gone completely brown, but they are starting to brown some, and we are starting to expect some more cold here soon. So before the cold gets to them, I think I want to go ahead and dig them. So let's get that started. So far, it doesn't look so good. I wasn't sure we'd get a good crop. I don't think we had the right type of soil around here for sweet potatoes. I think you need a little bit more sandy soil. If I'm gonna do them, I'm gonna probably have to do them at my mother's, because hers definitely is a lot more sandy than this. And while these are small, we can clean them up and just bake them whole, eat the peelings and all, and I think that'll be fine. Alrighty, that is done. Not nearly as many potatoes as I would have liked, but I will take what I can get. that is it. We've started the collard harvest. Only cut off a few plants so far, and decided that I would come show you guys what I've been doing. I just cut off the bottom, cut the whole stem off, then I bring them over here to the table and just kind of clean them up. Cut off the heavier part of the stems. You can eat them, but they're just a little bit tough, and you have to cook the collards a little bit longer, and we don't like to cook our collards real long. So we will kind of show you what we're doing. So I'm just cutting from the bottom so far. Haven't started into the main bushes, but cutting off the larger limbs of these. And so I will continue to do that, and I'll let you guys watch. Okay, I've now finished cutting the collards for today. Again, see, we leave quite a bit of the plant with the newer growth. Still a lot of leaves. I could probably get another good serving out of these right now if I really wanted to. But we ended up cutting a lot. We had 2 big pots, and that's it takes a little while to get them boiled and put into plastic bags and put up. So right now, that's all we're going to do. But anyway, appreciate y'all coming to our channel to watch what we're doing. We had a relatively small harvest of the sweet potatoes. Pretty good harvest of the collards. I'll try to see how many bags we end up putting up and put it here at the end of the video. But I do appreciate everybody who watches the videos. Appreciate you liking the videos when you do. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It kind of helps us out. So thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time. All right, this is how much collards we got. These are right decent sized pots. I don't remember how many quarts they are, but it's a good bit. We also got a little bit of collards in the Instapot, not just by themselves, but Kathy was making some chicken soup, and we dropped some collards into the chicken soup as well.